The new Audi Q5. The new Audi Q5 gets smarter, smoother, and still feels like an Audi. Pros: attractive new design, spacious rear seat, quiet ride. Cons: not as sporty, one screen too many, plastic trim feels cheap. The Audi Q5 remains the brand's best-selling model, yet within the crowded luxury compact SUV segment, it hasn't quite matched the dynamic edge of rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLC or BMW X3. Rather than chasing outright sportiness, Audi has long prioritized refinement, focusing on a premium cabin, high-quality materials, and a smooth, composed ride. Specifications: base price $53,495. Price is tested $63,290. Vehicle layout: front engine, AWD, 5-pass, 4-door internal combustion SUV. Powertrain: 2.0L turbo direct injected DOHC 16-valve i4. Power: 268 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Torque: 295 pound-feet at 1,750 revolutions per minute. Transmission: 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Curb weight F.R. dist: 4,348 pounds 55/45%. Wheelbase: 110.9 in. Length x width x height: 185.7 x 65.7 by 74.8 in. Tires: Pirelli Scorpion MSRE 0. 255/45 R 20105 HM plus S. EPA fuel economy, city, HWY combined. 22/30 25 mpg. EPA range: 430 miles. On sale now. Motor Trend test results: 0 to 60 mph, 5.8 seconds. Quarter mile, 14.4 seconds at 96.4 miles per hour. Braking: 60 to 0 mph, 119 feet. Lateral acceleration: 0.88 grams. Figure 8 lap, 26.6 seconds at 0.69 grams AVG.